See, look at here. From this onwards, I'll save it, and I will put a new window. Separately I'm putting, this is a hardware related is there now, so separately I'm putting from freshly. Okay. Here, first one is virtualization platform. VirtualBOX. Two are an applications to create a virtual machines. Okay. Using these applications, we can create virtual machines. Okay. And install operating system in it, and we can use it. What is the advantage of this one is also we just will go a little bit. Okay. Guys, look at this is my PC, which is contains a Windows 10 operating system in it. Now I have to teach or I have to do practice some application which I don't want to install in my physical PC. I want to install in some separate PC which is not affect on my physical PC. This PC, but this particular PC, okay, I don't want to install. But I don't have any other computer. Okay, separate computer is not there. So what to do? I go to my VMware Workstation or a VirtualBOX. You can see this is the VirtualBOX. This is the VMware Workstation. I create a virtual machine. Inside a virtual machine, I install operating system. In the operating system, I install OS. So this is also one part of virtualization also. That's why I'm telling guys, remember. Okay, this is application based. That's it. Look at here. If you see these machines I installed, both are Windows servers, 2019 servers on. This is for a domain controller, means Active Directory Services purposes, and this is a SCCM configuration installation purposes. Okay. This is Linux PCs. This is my DevOps PC. On Linux, I install a DevOps related Git, Jenkins, Maven, Python, Java. Like I install those applications inside this machine. See, mine is a Windows machine, but in my Windows machine only, I am running Linux machines, and I can install some applications inside. Okay, this is a Windows 10 machine. So this particular machine is Windows 10 machine with DevOps tools inside. Okay, this is a Windows Server machine. Win S1 is nothing but a Windows Server machine, and this is the Windows Client machine. Like this, I have 2012 server, 2003 server, like that. I have a multiple machines, and when I want to run a application in a particular virtual machine or a particular machine or a particular environment, I will create in the virtualization. Okay, so it is very simple, right? So thing is, why we need all these things? Again, I told already. So same thing. I want to test an application, or I want to run an application, or I want to do some I'm giving training, right? So now in your training, you have a Windows servers and Windows 10. Okay, so compulsory Windows server means there is a client machine. Server is there, client must be there. So I needed two machines. I can't buy two machines, right? So again, cost effect and my cost is on me. So I cannot format my physical machine. So, but I need a machines. I can't afford to buy a two physical machines. So what I done? I increased my RAM to 12 GB, and now I created a two virtual machines inside a virtual machine. In one virtual machine, I install Windows Server. In another one, I install a Windows 10. So server, and Windows 10 is client. Okay. So both I installed in a virtual machines, and I can able to show you how to install a server services, IP addresses in a both server and clients, how to link them, how to work on it. so I can easily demonstrate the practicals. So how it is simple. Same concept like anything. You want to run an application, like I want to practice DevOps. I can't install always in my physical machine. Recently, I installed a Git in my physical machine. I didn't install Jenkins and all kind of stuff. Okay, so why? Because of it is honestly occupying space, and sometimes Jenkins failed. My system got will problem, maybe like that, maybe like that. So what I done, I want to show you people multiple times how to install it. So that's why I'm using a virtualization platform. Either it is VMware Workstation or a Oracle VirtualBOX. Oracle VirtualBOX. Guys, this is a VMware. VMware is an organization, company. VMware is an organization. VMware is an organization. A lot of products are there in VMware organization. One of the application is Workstation. Okay, and another one is Player. Okay, Workstation and Player are for virtualization platform purpose only. Next, this is VMware VirtualBox, same as Oracle VirtualBox, same as a VMware Workstation. You can create a virtual machines here also. Oracle VM VirtualBox is a free, no need to pay to anyone. Now we'll see how to download those things. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox download for Windows. Okay, just open this link. We'll get a virtualbox.org. Okay, wiki/downloads. So you can see the 6.1.3 package like that. So this is a Windows host, guys. We are all using Windows operating system, so you can select a Windows host. Okay, so then you can download it. Like by clicking it, you can download it. I'm copying this link here. Okay, VirtualBox, you can download it. Installation is quite easy once it is downloaded. So you can open it and next it will install. Follow the proper things, guys. Earlier, you may a student or maybe you're just a guy that's
no. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, what is the use of VMware?
Very good. Okay, so here it is. Packages like this it will download. Save it in your place. I'm not going to download this one because already I have. Okay. Now, just follow properly like while you are installing. Okay, while you are installing, read each and every part. Like so, is a check mark is there? Check mark is not there. If I put a check mark, what will happen? If it is not there, if I don't put it, what will happen? Like that. Compulsory verify and do it. And it is a free one. You don't need to pay to anyone. No need to register. Nothing is there. Okay, future wise also good, but you need a little bit practice and skill is required. Okay, but it is still okay. So if you want to use this VirtualBox, you can use it also. Next one is VMware Workstation. VMware is an organization. This is Oracle organization. It's a open source VirtualBox. VMware is an organization and it is providing Workstation is an application. Using that one, you can create a virtual machines. Okay, you can create a virtual machines as per your requirement, and you can install the operating system inside, and you can install applications, and you can use it. Instead of buying a new hardware as per like a requirements and all, simply you can run a multiple operating system in a single physical machine. Very good question. So what we can able to multiple guest OS in single physical machine. Okay, in single physical machine using applications one is VMware Workstation, another is a Oracle VirtualBOX. Already I told how to download it. Installation also, if you want, you can search how to install the VMware VirtualBOX in a channel or somewhere. Okay, if you want it. If you don't do this one, also no problem. Okay, you can choose either this or this. That is completely your chance only. But I will teach everything on a VMware Workstation. Okay. The question is, what is guest OS? What is a host OS? OS in virtual machine is called guest OS. Okay, OS in the virtual machine is guest OS. OS in your physical machine. Physical machine is laptop, desktop, okay, operating system, whatever it is called host OS. Means main operating system. Okay. So we can achieve this by using some applications. Oracle VirtualBOX, VMware Workstation. Next, how to download this VMware Workstation? Also, you can see. You can go to directly VMware Workstation website. VMware Workstation website by like this. VMware Workstation download. This is the website. Just open it. Guys, remember, this is a paid version. It is a paid version. You need a license keys. Okay. You'll get a 30 days trial. You will get a 30 days trials if you don't have a license keys. Okay. Next, this is for a Windows. This is for Linux. You can Windows 16 Pro for a Workstation 16 Pro for a Windows. Workstation 16 Pro for a Windows. This is a licensed one. You need a license key. But I don't have a key now, so we'll see that one. So otherwise, you have to pay amount to the VMware. You will get it. And also, if you have a time, so go for a products. So what are the products of this VMware organization? You will get it. Next. Anyway, we'll go to the products. See, these are the VMware products kind of stuff. Okay. So go once when you are using, because VMware is one of the very powerful virtualization, private cloud related organization. Very powerful. Market share of VMware is very high as compared to others. Okay. For example, you cannot put a license key, or you don't want to buy a license key. Then you can see. Okay. This is, I told, VMware Workstation Pro. This is Fusion for Mac. Fusion for a Mac. Okay. Desktop hypervisors in a Hyper-V. Fusion for a Mac. Okay. So for if you are having a Apple computer and all, so this is for Apple computer purposes. Workstation Pro will fully function for Windows and Linux machines. Workstation Player. Workstation Player is a free local virtualization solution. Means no need to pay no license key for this one. But future wise, Pro and Player are different. Okay, futures wise. And how to download? Then go to the download link like this. This is the first one. This is to download the Workstation Pro purpose. This is used to download the Workstation Pro purpose. Okay, so same thing. Just you have to search and find which product is you want to download. Like this one, this one, this one, like that. Okay, you can click here. Download now. Now it is trying to download. So this is the VMware Workstation 16.2.2 like that, 16.2.2, and this some number will be there. Okay, it is 615 MB size, 615 MB size. Okay, so you can download this by clicking download now. By clicking download now. Okay, so this is the okay. So the size is we are getting 615 around this size. Why I'm telling the size? Because it's no need to worry. It is not a 4 GB, 5 GB kind of stuff. Okay. Know the sizes before you download and use the download managers. This is free download manager when you are downloading any big applications, or use high speed data transmission related internet one, and you can do it. Okay, so this is how to download VMware Workstation Pro. This is a 30 days trial version. Next one, you can also download a Workstation Player. Okay, it is free version. And if you are using a Mac or a Apple computer, Apple computer kind of stuff, that is the version name is Fusion. Of course, there is a lot of other products of VMware is there, but what we need, desktop hypervisor, these three things from the VMware Workstation. Okay. It is downloading directly, guys, so no need to register and all. Just when I click here, it is downloading. Okay, I am not login. Okay, I have a login account, but it is not asking any login account. Just click on download now. You can able to download it. So this is the download. Actually, on record, we should not tell this point, but we are important, right? So record whatever the record it is. Okay. Important thing is you download a VMware Workstation for 1 second. Okay, you download a VMware Workstation Pro, and I said 30 days trial version. What happened after 30 days trial version? So don't wait for 30 days. 1 hour you are installing Windows. Wow, means sorry, VMware Workstation. So when you are installing, once complete the installation, I will tell you what are the steps to install the VMware Workstation. Okay, if possible, I will show you. I don't do it. You will do it, but I will show you the video wise also. At least we'll try. Okay, what to do, what not to do, kind of stuff. So compulsory follow the things. Okay, so after installation, it will ask for a key. It asks for a you have to license or skip. Don't click on a skip. Click on a license. Put the license key. Of course, you don't have license keys, right? You don't have a license keys. Then how to get a license key? Like this. Okay, like this. So then you'll find certain websites provide a license keys. Like this is a GitHub. Someone put a license key here. Okay, so open this links. You can find several type of license keys. See here it is. Also license keys are there. Officially, we should not say like that, but this is only for guys. Remember, the license keys we are using here only for personal laptops or personal work purpose for a certain period of time purposes only we are using. We are not using for a production purposes, sales purposes. Okay, sales purposes like that. We don't use this kind of stuff. Okay, so don't use these keys or a product for a production purposes or sell the license for other people or in a production environment, organization related laptops. For example, this laptop is my personal laptop. Okay for me. If in case, if I want to do it in my sister's laptop, that is their company given that laptop or my company given me a laptop and I cannot put anything here. So that is this one. Okay, so these are the certain license keys you can able to find it from here. So I am giving these license keys directly your WhatsApp. Of course, I will save these things. Okay, this is how to search for a license keys and
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Yeah, up to now you had explained up to desktop hypervisor workstation pro, no, sir. They are the types of VMware. Huh?
VMware products are there. VMware is a company. VMware has several products. I
Okay,
told
okay.
about VMware Workstation Pro is you have to download this one. Okay. You don't want to put a key or anything like you have a personal not or a company laptop is there, so you cannot put a licenses like this. You have to pay for these licenses. You don't want to do like that. So what to do? Go to Workstation Player. If you are using a Apple computer, you can use Fusion, this one for your Apple computers. Okay, so that is I told. Otherwise, you can use Oracle VM VirtualBox also. Desktop hypervisors or concept is different. So VMware is a company, has a different products are there. Server hypervisors, vCloud directories, or vCenters, vSAN, like that. So many products are there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So
So,
I'm already put this link. So you can try this one
sir,
for new one. Okay. Yeah.
for Windows 10, which one is best, sir?
Anything is better.
Sir,
Which one you want? VMware
for Windows
Workstation
10,
or
sir.
VirtualBox?
Uh, VirtualBox.
You can use VirtualBox if you want.
Yes, sir.
Both are
Sir,
same guys. This is VMware organization product licensed one. So you can go to like this. It's a licensed one. You need to buy license key. That's it. VMware VirtualBox, no need to buy a license key. Okay. Next, which one is you feel easy for you? Which one you want it? You can use it. But I told I do all my practicals in a VMware workstation only. I do all the practicals in VMware workstation. Okay. You want to
sir,
use VirtualBox? Also fine, no problem. That is you have to take care
Sir,
of the things. Yeah.
what is the difference between VMware Workstation and VirtualBox? Sir?
I told now this is need a license key. This is free,
Okay,
open
okay,
source.
okay, okay,
It is a open source. Okay.
okay,
Process is different. Like the creation of virtual machine is different. Little bit different, not much difference. Only little bit way of creating virtual machines. Settings little bit different. Storing the virtual machine locations like that. Little bit different is there. But both are okay. Both are good. Usually, like better to prefer actually virtual boxes only. Okay, better to prefer virtual boxes. something need to whatever it is, habituation. It's only thing is okay. I'm happy to use this one. Okay. I also have a hobby of using a VirtualBox, but little less. Okay. But both are good. I'm not putting like this is good, that is good. I'm not salesperson. Okay. So this depends upon us, which one we feel better.
Excuse me, sir. What
Yeah.
is the use of VMware?
Again, you're someone same question I'm getting. Why I'm getting same question? What is VMware?
Workstation.
No. What is VMware? You are asking question is what is VMware? VMware is a organization. Workstation is product. Okay. Workstation is a application. Workstation is application. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Workstation is application. Player is application. Fusion is an application. Like that, there is a several products are there in the VMware. These are all products only. Okay, you can see these are all products only of VMware. Okay, next. The question is, what is workstation? If you are asking a question, what is workstation? What is the use of this application? This is VMware Workstation Pro. You can create a virtual machines like this. Okay, so you can install an operating system. For example, I will show you. This is a virtual machine. In this one, I installed Linux. In that Linux, I installed a DevOps tools inside, like a Jenkins, Marvin's, Git, like that. I installed in this one. So instead of installing in my physical machine, or instead of installing into a separate machine or purchasing a separate machine, I create this virtual machine, and inside a virtual machine, I install a operating system. Okay, so that is the use of VMware Workstation. Next one is Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle VirtualBox is another product. Nowadays, like another product which is not required any license. It's a open source application. Anybody can able to use it. Same function as our VMware Workstation. It is also an application. You can create a virtual machines. You can install operating system in the virtual machine, and you can run the applications in the side. Okay, guys, that is your VMware introduction. So VMware is an organization, Workstation is a application. We are using this application to create a virtual machines, and inside a virtual machine, we install operating system, we practice the operating system, we install applications, we do whatever we want to do it on it. Very simple. Okay, instead of desktop your main physical machine, you can try on it. When I got some one application I want to try. So first of all, I have a doubt that if I install in my physical machine something is goes wrong, then follow me lacker. I will do it in my physical machine. Okay, guys, these are the keys if you want to use it. Okay, because it is given like that. Okay, you can use the keys, but officially say you cannot use the keys from the available in the net. You have to purchase the keys for it. You don't want to buy, you can use a player or a virtual box. Okay, even though if you are using like this, make sure that that is your personal computer, home computer, personal computer kind of stuff. Do not use in. Okay, so this is how to download VMware Workstation and VirtualBox. Next one is how to install. Lot of difference is there, guys. Compulsory, you have to take VMware Workstation. You have to tell VMware Workstation. If you say VMware means there are a lot of products are there. It may be any product. Usually VMware means VMware vSphere. Okay. If you go to an interview and you say like, sir, I know VMware, then he think you know VMware vSphere. You will ask questions from VMware vSphere. Then you will get it out, right? So make sure that what you know is very important. What you don't know, that is secondary. What you know is very important. Okay, spell it in the proper.
Sir, is there a VirtualBox in VMware?
VirtualBox is an application from Oracle.
Okay.
Okay, Oracle organization put a name like that, VirtualBox.
Okay.
Okay, Microsoft put a name is Virtual PC. Now it is not there. Just I'm trying. This is my old one. To this. Okay, so better I should open separate window so then I can control the things. Yeah, guys, before anyway it starts, I have to tell one more thing, that is compulsory in your machine check virtualization is enabled or not. Before or after installation of this one, okay, compulsory check virtualization enabled or disabled in your PC. How to check it? Go to Task Manager. Go to Task Manager. This is a task bar. Right click on your task bar. You'll find Task Manager. Open the Task Manager. Go to Performance. Go to Performance. Select CPU. Select CPU. Okay. Here it is. You can see virtualization enabled. You can see also other things about a CPU. It is a virtualization enabled. If it is enabled, it is very good. Go ahead. Virtualization enabled. Okay, this is important. If it is not enabled, it is showing disabled, you have to enable it. Okay. If it is showing disabled, you have to enable it. If it is showing not configure or something, not enabled, not disabled, showing something not available like that. So go through this processor name, go to the processor and search in a Google, is the processor supporting virtualization or not? That is very important. Guys, understand how to open a virtualization enable or not? Go to Task Manager. So what is the tab? Performance. Select CPU. And there check virtualization. In the right hand side bottom you will find that in virtualization enabled. Okay, virtualization enabled. But here it is one more important is there. CPU virtualization enabled. So how to enable it? If in case, if it disabled, It's showing disabled. Then two ways are there, guys. Two ways are there to go to BIOS settings. Okay, so go to BIOS settings. Go to BIOS settings. Enable virtualization. Search for virtualization. Change disable to enable. Change disable to enable. So how to go to this BIOS settings? Two ways are there. Okay, first way is simple way is not a simple way. Go to settings. Go to settings. Okay, settings. How much time it is taking? Really, it is taking too much time. Yes. Okay, so this is my settings. Go to update and security. Go to update and security. Guys, to further steps, for further steps means I will tell up to some step, but later steps only you have to do it. Okay, do it for if you have a problem, then you can do it, otherwise not required. Click on recovery. Click on recovery. So don't do parallelly, guys. It's very dangerous because your system will restart it and you don't know what to do, then it is very big problem. Don't do parallelly. Never do it. Never do it until unless you require that one. Okay. Update and security, then click on recovery. This is reset this PC. This is reset PC for resetting. We don't need it, that one. Okay. This is go to previous version of Windows 10. So your new updated Windows 10 not required. You want to go for old Windows 10 and then you can go for it. If we are updated very recently, 10 days ago, not 10 days ago. This is advanced startup. This is what we need. This is advanced startup. Startup from the device, startup from a device or a disk. Change PC's firmware settings. Firmware settings. Change PC startup settings or restore system from system image. That is, this will restart your PC. Then you have to click on a restart now. You have to click on a restart now. I cannot click it. If I click it, we were all disconnected. Okay. So you have to click on a restart now. Understand, guys, how to go to up to here. Open the settings in Windows 10. Update and security. Click on recovery. Advanced startup. Restart now. So this is the button. So once you click on restart now, what will happen? Okay. So same thing, same lines only. Here it is. So yeah, here it is. Okay. Before you are getting this advanced option setting, king, there is a one like a continue restart or you will get a troubleshoot option. Okay, so you'll get a two options. Mainly second option is troubleshoot option. Go to troubleshoot option. Go to troubleshoot option. There you will get a this kind of screen. In this side you will get a UEFI firmware settings. Guys, your laptop or a desktop is UEFI based laptop or a desktop, you'll get this option. You'll get this option. Okay. If it is not there, if it is your system is BIOS based, So choose option troubleshoot. After this only you will get like this. You can see troubleshoot. First option is troubleshoot. If you click on troubleshoot, you'll get advanced options like this. Okay, you can just, if you look at it, you will understand how to go. There you can able to select UEFI firmware settings. Just in case this is not showing, this is not showing, what to do? Yours is not UEFI, it is a BIOS. It's not UEFI, it is BIOS. Okay, UEFI means it's a UEFI. If it is not showing UEFI, it is not, your system is not UEFI candidate, it is BIOS one only. Okay, see here it is a very good and it is given. See it is troubleshoot, advanced options, and UEFI firmware settings. Click restart, then you will get it. So this is let's save it. Okay, so this is how we can able to go. So you have picture of a picture. So this is very good one. Okay, this is how to go to BIOS settings if you are a UEFI based system. If not, then what to do? If not what to do? Okay, so then first of all, go to BIOS settings. Actually, it is UEFI settings. Okay, so you are a UEFI, definitely it will show us like this, guys. First of all, go to settings, Windows 10, press Windows button, settings. If anybody want to help me, also help me, please. Security, update and security, recovery, advanced options, advanced options only, right? Advanced startup, advanced startup. Next one is, so automatically advanced startup. So there you have to select restart. Yours is Windows 11. Oh, if you are in a Windows 11, so maybe it is the same thing. But first of all, check you have a virtualization enabled or not. Okay. And then next one is, you must know how to search in Google. That's it. Restart now. So, okay. So don't do it until unless you require it, guys. Remember, listen very carefully. Okay. So don't do it these things. If you require, then do it. Or when you start your computer, observe at least. That's it. Okay. Restart now. So once it is restarted, it will show some screen there. You can select troubleshoot. Okay, then advanced options. Okay, so select troubleshoot, advanced options. There you can find UEFI firmware settings. So where is this? I closed it also. Very good. Okay, So that's it. So then it is asked for a, when you select, it is asked for a restart. If you click on it, it will ask for a restart. You'll go to BIOS settings. You'll go to settings and change it. It shows the BIOS settings. Yes. If in case, if this particular option not showing, what to do? I'm telling now, guys, so compulsory listen very carefully. If it is not showing, then what to do? That is, meaning is, if UEFI setting option not showing, meaning is your PC or laptop is BIOS based, or you install OS, BIOS based OS install, you install. Okay, so that is BIOS based, not UEFI based. It is a BIOS based. So go to BIOS settings. Traditional way. Okay, regular way only, traditional way only. It just I put a traditional way means a regular way. What it is? Make sure power off. Better is power off. A lot of people will get confused, like a restart means they restart the entire PC again. They are doing the same thing. Last time it has happened, one girl is done same process 3-4 times. Okay, the same process 3-4 times. Even I told like that, but I am not unable to talk. Just it's a chat messaging, right? So it is will happens like that. So later I told her. Just I call her in evening, so I told her do like this. She tried it within a 2 minutes. She done the completed this enabling kind of stuff. Okay, so power of the PC or laptop, whatever it is, you put it, and compulsory, guys. Google. Okay, how to go to BIOS settings for your laptop. Model or company wise, anything. Like you have a HP laptop, or maybe you have a Lenovo laptop, you have a Dell laptop. I'm not a hardware guy to teach like that, so you have to, if it is this one, do like this, if it is this one, do like this, complete mind mapping the data kind of stuff. Okay, so power off the laptop and find it how to go it. Press power button. Just press the power button. Normally when tomorrow also you can observe this one, like whenever you are start morning laptop, right? Press the power button. In the bottom of the screen, you can see how to go to BIOS settings. How to go to BIOS settings. The key will be there. Key will be there. Okay. Press the power button. Then immediately start pressing BIOS setup key. Okay. What are the keys possible? Dell. Escape is also now people are using in certain laptops. Escape, F10, F2, F12, F9. Okay, F9, F1. Just it can be any key, any combination. Sometimes it will be like a Shift plus, also possible. Plus, like so. Why I am putting like this? Shift plus F10. Okay, it can be like shiftless or directly it is there. So compulsory know your BIOS key. Guys, BIOS keys, go to BIOS settings key can be different from one type of laptop to another type of laptop based on the company and BIOS company. Okay, so better to know how to go inside. Once you go inside, there is a BIOS screens will be there. Okay, so I think I closed it. Why I closed it unnecessarily? Okay, so you can see different type of things. Okay, some are like a phonics BIOS kind of stuff will shows like this or like this. Some are like a very plain text format. Some are it's like a graphical related. Some are you will get a mouse possibilities also there. Okay, so when you like to see this one, so slowly go use your like this is graphical type. So many things are there. Okay, so compulsory you should know what to do. At least use your minimum basic sense, basic common brain. Okay, so you can easily go for it. So you will get a screens. Then go there where find out usually CPU configuration. Okay, CPU configuration. How to enable virtualization in BIOS. So there you can find like this. Intel virtualization thing. So you can find here in a configuration. Advanced. This is advanced. In this window, you can see configuration. In this window, it is showing advanced. BIOS to BIOS, things will be changed. BIOS to BIOS, this is HP's one. In a security only, it is system security. There it is there. See, in security, system security, virtualization technology enabled is there. In this one, advanced. Under advanced, virtualization technology is there, guys. That's why I'm telling system to system. Options places will be different, but your supporting is there directly. You can see it is not even advanced features. So either it is configuration or advanced. This is system configuration. System configuration. See, virtualization technology enabled. I have the pictures. Like last time, one girl taking a picture and sending me that. Not this. It's very old. This is batch 13 candidates. Batch 11. No, no, no. I didn't touch these batches. So I maybe somewhere in bottom. Okay. Not this. This is very old batch. Okay. So her system laptop is like this one. So virtualization technology showing disabled, right? So then change it to enable. Just press the enter button. You'll get options. Use up arrow, down arrow. Select the option and enter. And once you're changed, either it is in system. Names are like a system configuration or configuration only, advanced. Okay, system configurations are advanced. Okay, there you can find enabled. Then just change it. Sorry, disabled. Change it to Select enable. Yeah, I am giving very poorly. Press enter. Important is press F10. F10 is a function key. Okay, F10 is a function key for save and exit. Put PC,
लिपस्टिक लाऊंगे
verify, virtualization enabled.
काही मजा करून राहिले एवढं जाऊ दे
Someone is speaking by mic on.
कोणाची विश्वजित आणि कोणाची
Careful, guys. It's a recording, right? That's the problem. Okay. I'm not a video expert also. I can't. I'm not a YouTuber also. Just I put a videos in YouTube. That's only for our students. Okay. I'm asking only my students like please subscribe. That's it. Okay. So I don't know video editing, audio editing kind of stuff. Okay. So verify virtualization is enabled or not. So that's it. Okay. So go to the task manager. Go to CPU. Make sure virtualization is enabled this time. Okay. Otherwise, it will throw in errors. I have errors, but PC kind of stuff now. So it is PC related WhatsApp kind of stuff. It is very difficult to open. Okay, if I can scroll up and down, the problem is it will load very slowly. These are all installed. After installation, they take a picture and put on the screen. Okay. So sometimes people will get an errors. So before only I'm telling. Okay. So make sure that you done this one. Next installation, I told installation is important. Then I will finish this part. Okay. Guys, look at how to install the thing. So I am muting, but I'm explaining this one. So this is I installed. I have a earlier 15.5. Okay. I close all the things anyway. Okay, spend a lot of time on explanation. So why it is now. Okay, so this is the package I downloaded. Okay, I double click on it. So the system got slowed. That's why it is showing like that. Okay. And it will ask for yes or no. Click yes only. Yes or no, it will ask like a administrator like that. Okay, it will ask yes or no. Click yes. While installing, you are getting any error like half of the installation completed and it rollbacks. Meaning is your system may have a virus. So please check with any basic antivirus or scan at least registries. Okay, first initially it will take time to pop up the VMware Workstation installation. Now it is started installation. Okay. Yes, can you able to see the screen? Small screen.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here it is license agreement, compulsory check mark. Next. This is very important, guys. Select this second option, add VMware Workstation console tools to system path like this. Select this option and never select this option. Better not to select it. By accidentally you are selected. No problem is occur. No problem. If there is no problem, if you are selected this one and you done thing and tomorrow you started a computer and you don't get any problem, then no problem. If you got a problem, it's a problem. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, if no, some people won't get any problem, some people will get a problem. That's a commonly I said, don't select this option, don't select this option, unselect mode only. Okay, unselect mode only. Remember the bottom one, select the enhanced keyboard, don't select it. Enhanced keyboard, don't select it. Next one is, guys, you are not using any official keys and all. If you are using, it's okay. Otherwise, better to unselect these two options. Unselect these two options. Okay, you are not checking for any updates and you are not involving anything. So compulsory unselect it. Remember what to select, what not to select. Okay, unselect these two options. User experience settings, no selections. This is your wish. You want to select for a desktop icon purpose, you can select it. You don't want to put it on a desktop icon, then no need to select it also. Okay. But my point is, when you are doing a practical, better to put it a check mark, so then you can easily double click on it. So now I click on install. So we'll see how much time it will take. And don't touch system when it is installing. Okay, don't open, don't touch the networking kind of stuff also. Network related kind of stuff, wire connection, wireless connections, or whatsoever it may be, just leave like that. Okay, let it install, because of it creates lot of virtual things inside, virtual adapters, virtual NICs. Okay, like that. Okay, it will install. It's installing my old one and it is installing new one. That's it. My old video, I think. It is installing virtual network drivers. That's on that time, so better not to touch your virtualization kind of stuff. Okay. So now it is completed. It is asking, do you want to license or finish? It is asking license or finish. If you click on a finish, it will go to 30 days trial version. It will go to 30 days trial version. I have a license key, so then I click on a license. I enter the license. Okay. Already I have some license keys here. I put it in my notepad anyway. So already I shared some keys. Guys, take the key, use it, and if it is working, save, put it as in a save mode. Okay, so safely put it in a. So licensed it is. Okay, so it is not throwing any error, right? So it is. So I'm using this one. Okay, it is installed. Now opening. Already I have some machines now increased. Not increase. I didn't delete the old machines. This is VMware Workstation. If you have a new version, it will shows like this. And this part is how to download a VirtualBox and how to install the VirtualBox. Okay. I downloaded a VirtualBox. Okay, I'm installing VirtualBox. Installing or uninstalling install VirtualBox, that is the point. So both are there in this particular video. Okay, so you can try once. So for installing virtual machine, workstation, this is the link. Okay, so those check marks you have to take care. So someone put a message or something. I can't see my screen. Okay, no problem. Now, Pratik, can you able to see the screen? Very simple, guys. Download, double click, open. Okay, download, double click, open. If it is asking yes or no, yes. Then wait. Then you will get a screen. Enhanced keyboard, uncheck it. Add path, check it. Update programs, uncheck it. Customer experience, uncheck it. Desktop shortcuts, check it. Install. Once installation is completed, what to do? Go to license, enter the license key. So permanently you will get licensed. If you don't want, for example, in future you don't want that product, or you don't want that product, remember you can uninstall the thing, or you purchase your own. So then you can enter the license also on your own. If you forget the license key, if you forget to insert the license key, now you want it, you buy license key or you got a license key. Very simple. Go to help, enter license key and enter the license key. That's it. You want to see whether you are licensed or not. That is. Okay, guys, this is how to install. That's it. Now take a break. I will show you how to download Windows 10 and how to install the Windows 10 after break. Okay.
Okay, sir.